Okay, and one more. Because, yeah, this has been sitting on my shelf, and I'm just, like, dying to open some more of these and see what I get. So, let's get a grip on this Shore Lurker. Oh, Evolving Wilds. I don't have enough of those. Relentless Embrace. There's Tweeze. Blighted Blackthorn. Furdock Core. Gangly Stompling. Encumbered Retchery. Hand out of the way. Explosive Prodigy. Blossoming Defense. Oh, shit. Oh my gosh. That's a Hexing Squelcher. Okay. Damn. Damn. Okay. That's going in the box. Ajani, I don't give a crap. Appeal to Urdu, I don't care. The mountains that I don't. Did I actually? My gosh. That is so cool. I did not expect to pull this. I was like, there's a chance, but oh gosh, that was early too. Oh, I'm so happy right now. Okay, yeah, that's a heck of a place to end.